nervous. You're so nervous because you know you're fake. You're there trying to chat as if you're real. Literally nothing you say makes sense. The story doesn't add up.
There's 2 glasses. There are 2 glasses. It's still... Why is it?
He's crazy, isn't it? No, this guy came out of nowhere just saying, I'm the real Glarses, I'm the real Glarses. Because I am the real Glarses. I'm the real Glarses.
You're there.
Honestly, David, I'm confused as you are. You sound so fake. So fake. Literally have the same voice as you. Why do you keep saying that?
Guys.
No, you don't. No, you do not. You sound nothing like me. Yes, I do. Is your ear module broken? Do you need it fixed because you can't hear me properly?
Guys!
Shh. You don't look like me. You don't sound like me. You don't even... You don't smell like me. Apart from the fact that we're wearing different clothes, we look exactly the same. You have nothing in common. I mean, I'm a bit more handsome than you, given I am the original. Are your eyes broken? What are you... Come on, I know it's true. No, it's true. You could never look as good as the... Whoa! Wait. Is that the soldering gun? Oh. Yeah, it is, and it's not even plugged in. Sorry. Now that I have your undivided attention, we're gonna figure out which one of you is the real Glarses, which one of you is the fake. And the way we're gonna do this is that I'm gonna ask you both questions that only the real Glarses would know. From this list of very conveniently compiled questions that I found on your Twitter, Discord, and YouTube. Oh, wow. That actually really is convenient. It's almost like a little Q&A. Yeah, for real. And like perfect timing since I just passed 50,000 subscribers. Be quiet! Yes, sorry. First question goes to you, Glarses, or should I call you Fixes? Never call me that ever again. What are some of your favourite things to do in your free time? You know, in my free time, I like to make videos, in particular currently about mechanical keyboards. You're gonna have to be more specific than that. You're gonna have to be much more specific than that. Other than keyboards, what other hobbies and activities are you interested in? There you go, there's the specificity. I play the piano a lot. I listen to a lot of music, especially gospel, jazz, instrumentals with a good beat. I did get into powerlifting a lot in the last 2-3 years, but the summer essentially robbed me of all my gains. Explain the true reason why you should buy a custom mechanical keyboard. What is the true reason? I don't actually know. If you could have any board, which would it be? This one. Confess. What's a huge keyboard sin you've committed that you've never told anyone? I ate Crytox once. Okay, let me explain. I was lubing some switches, as you do. I think it was one of the first batches I was doing. And I think the paintbrush dropped on my fingers, like near the edges, and I was like, you know what, I'll wash my hands later. I forgot, and I sometimes have a bad habit of biting my nails, so yeah. It tastes pretty good. No, I'm joking, it was awful. Don't eat Crytox. Drink it instead. No, don't. Can we be besties? No, I hate bees. Is your middle name Keith too? Oh, I get it. It's because like I'm black and I make kind of tech videos, and MKBHD is black as well, so we have to be the same person. Will you be picking up Glorious Holy Pandas? I guess. Favorite professional wrestler? If you were a sandwich, what kind of sandwich would you be? I'd only be the best sandwich. A jam and ham sandwich. Do you actually hate MX Browns? No, why would I? Everybody keeps asking me if I hate MX Browns. Like, I would literally never. What embarrassing favorite song from your childhood do you still like today? What? No. Like, what embarrassing song will I still be singing from my childhood? Like, I was like, baby. Will you be designing your own keyboard soon? I do actually intend to eventually make my own personal keyboard. I want to start very slow with designing. I want to design custom plate files for pre-builds and boards that don't already have plate files, PCB design stuff for some little macro pads that I'll actually use for myself. Then I'll get into like case design and chassis and all that kind of stuff. So you may or may not see a Glarses inspired designed board in 2 to 3 years, but fingers crossed, fingers. How's sudden fame treating you? You know, how have you reacted to quickly becoming one of the largest keyboard YouTubers? Have I become a massive jerk since my channel has taken off?
Yeah. Picked up the phone just to tell me, hey, dude, I would love to talk to you, but I can't talk to people who have less than 1,000 YouTube followers. Glarses, what do you mean? More of a jerk? I mean, you're horrible. The other day you flipped out on all of us because one of us just said that your glasses were a little bit dirty. And you just hung up the phone. You wouldn't even give me a response, man. What a douchebag, man, honestly. You can't be doing these things just because you're I'm a big YouTuber now. Doesn't mean you have to just come into our houses, steal all our...
Oh no, the phone connection went... That was a joke. That was a joke. Kind of. No, it was a joke. It was a joke. I'm joking. I don't consider myself to be a YouTuber. I make videos on YouTube and people watch them, which makes me okay, no. I just kind of like it's cool. It's like, yay, I'm getting a bit more views than I was before. But I was making videos offline like for myself because I just found it funny. It hasn't really hit me. I think what would hit me is if I got to a point where I get a plaque from YouTube where they're like, hey, we recognize you. Then it's like, okay, this is kind of real. But yeah, I haven't changed. I think my friends and people could vouch for me. Will you diversify and make non-keyboard content? Oh, this is for me, right. It's entirely possible that I may have made non-mechanical keyboard content for a couple of years on a channel that exists in the same universe as Glarses. And whilst I'm not making videos there anymore, I may or may not make videos there in the future if there's demand for it, yada 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 yada. Why did you start Glarses? I was bored. What brand of glasses are those? That's a damn good question. No, I don't actually know. Like, I know I think it was whatever was cheapest at Specsavers at the time, because I got it free at the time, but I'm not going to search it because I don't care. But yeah, that's a good question. When will the Bromat be released? The Bromat, if you're wondering, is a very, very beautiful desk mat designed by yours truly, which will hopefully be going into group buy soon. I don't have a date, but I will tell you when it is because you want to cop that. You want to cop that. And how aren't you bankrupt after buying all this Keeb stuff? It's funny that you assume that I'm not broke, which is why the Bromat will be going onto group buy soon. Why the channel name? People always ask me why my name is Glarses, and I tell them that you're not ready to know. The tale that I'll have to retell to make you understand why my channel name is Glarses is so epic, so powerful, so amazingly epically powerful that if I told you, you would have to... No, it's just Glarses because I wear glasses. Glarses spelled Glasses was taken on Reddit, so I had to compromise. Another thing, and I'm kind of okay with it, but Americans pronounce my name as Glarses? Did you see the new Glarses video? Oh my god, I love Glarses. He's so funny. No, Glarses as if you were saying Glasses in your tongue. At this point, I really don't care. Like, it's Glarses or however you want to say it, right? It's preference, even though it shouldn't be because I have a specific way of saying it in my head, but I'll allow you. I'll allow you, man. Okay? Okay. How much wood does a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? Probably a lot. I mean, it would probably chuck as much wood as a woodchuck could chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood. Yes! That took so long to say, just like that one other thing I did a while back that I don't want to... This is the AKE OC... This is the AKE... What got you into the keyboard hobby in the first place? In a nutshell, Osu, 6 years later, JYMV. Don't know who that is, this guy. Love his videos, go check him out. Go comment something like, MX Browns are bad, you're in denial. What's your full name? It is Glarses Spectacles. I know. Are you Dave? No, I'm Dave. If you hit 100k subs, will you use MX Browns for a week? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. 1 million subscribers? I'll think about it, but 100k, nah. Why are MX Browns the superior switch? I mean, you have the smoothness, the well thought out and designed tactile bump, the color. What are you studying in college or university for us here? Economics. Yeah, I know. You probably thought I was doing computer science or engineering like every single person in this damn hobby. Economics. How do I keep my keyboards from smelling like Doritos? This is an example of creative destruction. I want to kill. What would you say was most influential in forming your sense of humor? Probably in this order, my dad, certain YouTubers like Ryan Higa, KSI, Caleb City, and then certain cartoons I've watched growing up. That was a really serious answer. Can you hammer yourself as revenge for hammering your tofu? Are you willing to eat tangerine switches or kiwi switches for a video? Dude, been there, done that. $62 grams per. Oh, yeah! When are you getting your key code? When my student loan comes in. And do you plan to create more content featuring other keyboard creators? Definitely want to keep making content and collabing with keyboard people, and even non-keyboard people. Have you gotten anyone else besides your viewers into the hobby? My friends and family don't care. They don't give a flying fajita about keyboards. I told them about it, they go, oh, that's great, and it goes straight through here and straight out there. I realized that most people just don't care at all. That being said, one of my friends did ask me what a Geisha 1 Black was, so you know, I'm getting there. What's your favorite video game? Ooh, Mario Kart DS, close second Wii Sports Resort Table Tennis, close third Pokemon Emerald, close fourth Budokai Tenkaichi 2. Quickfire Discord round. Favorite color? Purple and blue. Favorite food? Jollof rice and stew, chicken and chips. Favorite anime? Peppa Pig. Hamaji Neo collab.
Hey everyone, my name is Majinio, welcome back. Today I'm going to be pouring water all over my custom keyboard so I can kiss my $500 goodbye. I'm not doing this for any reason, I just hate myself and all of you. Let's begin. Hello?
Hey, just checking, do you want to like collab sometime or?
Yeah, sure.
Sick,
Sure.
sick. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll get back to you in a bit.
So anyways.
Choose a keycode you can only look at or a Corsair board with MX Browns and warped caps to type on. Easy, a keycode I can look at because I can trade it for a keycode I can type on. Be more specific. What's your first mechanical keyboard? Corsair K70. Glarses face reveal when? Glarses face reveal at 1 million subscribers. Would you recommend them? Yeah, but like, kind of, maybe, like you might. Oh, I can feel it. Like a mid-roll's about to play right now. Never mind. And finally, the question that was asked way more than any other. What is your favorite Switch? Oh, well, it changes a lot, you know, by the season. And it's definitely not what you think it is, but my favorite linears are cream top silks with KK Lightwave springs. My favorite clickies are box whites. And my favorite tactiles are pale silent box browns. Okay. And why's that, huh? Because they're quiet and don't wake up the rest of my family. They're a bit rough around the edges, but I really like their tactility. Make the right choice. Him. It's so obvious. Fake sounding glasses over this guy. I always real one. T-shirts. Really? Come on, you know who you need to pick. The original. That's all I have to say, really. Waiting.